Hi, welcome back. Today we will talk about very important topic, which is the row look. What is the meaning of row look? To understand this, I will make for you a nice scenario and you will understand what is the meaning of row look and what is the meaning of data consistency. Okay, so let's start. Now I am connecting to the HR user. I will make this query. Select star from employees where employee ID equal 109. I will execute this select statement. And this is the result. You can see that the salary of the employee Daniel is 9,000. Now I want to increment this employee by $20. So I will make update employees, set salary equal salary plus 20, where employee ID equal 109. I will execute this update statement. It will give me one row updated. I will make the select, and the salary now is 9,020. Until now, I didn't do any comment. So now I will try to go and open another session to SQL Developer. So I will open another session. I will connect to the HR. I will drag this window to the right like this, and also I will drag the original session to the left like this. Okay, very nice. So now this is session number 1 and this is session number 2 for the same user. So now the salary is 9,020. This session can only see these changes because the user still didn't make any comment or rollback. Okay, so now if you try to take this select statement, Ctrl C, and put it here and try to execute it, the salary will be still 9,000. So this is data consistency, because maybe the first session she want to make a rollback. So this means I need to have a consistent data. So this is called consistency. Okay, very nice. Now if this user in the session 2 try to update the same table, same row, what will happen? In this case, it will be locked because he still need to wait the session number 1 until finish. So now I will go now, I will take this update statement, for example, Ctrl C, and I will go to the other session. The user now, he will try to make update. I will now execute. You will find now the session hanging. Why? Because there is a lock on the row. So this session, it will wait until the user here take action. So now, for example, if the user in the first session take action and make commit, for example, then the other session will take response and execute the statement. It's very simple and easy. So when you do any changes on the first session and you didn't do any comment, other session cannot see the new changes. And also other sessions cannot make modifications in the same row of the first session. So it will make table lock. So thank you for listening and see you in the next video.